Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Kitchen Adventures of Bull. I'm Bull. Today we're making buffalo chicken dip. As you see, we have roasted chicken, food stamp eligible. Ooh. Greek yogurt, cream cheese, kosher for Passover. A nice Mexican-style blend of cheese with mild cheddar, queso quesadilla, and asadero cheeses. Nice. Lastly, we have our spices, which includes hot sauce, paprika, salt, cayenne, mustard, pepper, more pepper, and garlic. You can buy your chicken pre-shredded or like this. I like it like this because it's a little more flavor. Remove the chicken meat from the bones. That is skin and bones. Literally. You can use a fork or your fingers to shred the chicken. Because I want my dip to be a little more creamy, I will add more yogurt. Now we get to the fun part, the spices and cheese. I like to add all of the cheese. I will typically add lots of paprika, salt, garlic, and pepper. Shakey, shake, 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 shake. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Once you have seasoned and mixed everything to taste, it's time to bring it to the stove. It doesn't look very pretty right now, but it's the personality that counts. The heat is at low to medium, and I turn it as the cheese melts. First, taste check. It needs more kick, so I add more hot sauce and more cayenne. Taste check number 2. Yeah. Check back tomorrow, where I will be doing something very special with our buffalo chicken dip. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Kitchen Adventures of Bull. I'm Bull. As promised, here is another recipe. Unfortunately, I did not estimate my time correctly, and I was not able to make my dough, so I bought some dough. It would be wise to slice with one of these, a bread slicer. Once sliced, smush into a cupcake tin. Preheat your oven to around 350 or 375. Feel free to get creative. Sometimes I like to use barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. If you do not have a cupcake tray, a cookie sheet will do. If you're not particularly fond of rolling or slicing, the sandwich method is also a viable method. If you are vain and care about the appearance of your food, feel free to slice off each ravioli to your liking. These bad boys might take anywhere from 12 to 20 minutes to cook. Just make sure they are cooked in the center. As you can see, I have placed an aluminum foil sheet over the tops of the rolls to make sure I do not burn them, but they cook thoroughly. If you can't really tell if they're cooked thoroughly, pop one out. Open it up. When these guys are golden brown all around, that usually means that they're done.